Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing this Himmline 10-inch queen mattress. It came vacuum sealed to my house and was very easy to install following the instructions that came along with it. I was pleasantly surprised at how fast the mattress came to its size after opening up the box mattress. The top of Himmline mattress is made of breathable 3D knitted fabric. The second layer of 1-inch high-density gel memory foam ensures a comfortable and cool sleep. The third layer features a 3-inch combination of comfortable and supportive foam, providing both a soft body feel and extra support. The fourth individually pocket spring layer strengthens the support. The bottom of the mattress has an anti-slip and breathable layer to ensure stability. Himmline hybrid mattress is supported by hundreds of individual pocket springs, which can absorb movement and relieve pressure. The multi-layered foam combination with high-density gel memory foam and 3D soft knitted fabric enhances comfort and edge support. It will not sink with long-term use. Under the cover, the high-density foam combination and individually pocketed spring design effectively promotes air circulation and heat dissipation, helping to adjust body temperature and create a dry, comfortable sleeping environment, ensuring that you stay cool and comfortable all night long.